Happy Easter, my dear ones! Today I am so excited to share with you my sweet and sprinkle-inspired Easter cake. It's not only a real showstopper but also incredibly delicious. Soft and fluffy and delicate. Perfect for your Easter celebration. So let's get started. Start by preheating the oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. We'll need 4 medium eggs. Separate the egg yolks from whites and place the whites in the fridge for later. Now let's prepare the cake sponge. In a mixing bowl, beat the egg yolks with 1/4 cup of granulated sugar on high speed for 3 to 5 minutes or until the mixture is thick. Add 2 tablespoons of sour cream and beat on low speed for about 1 minute. Then add half cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor. Mix on low speed for another 2 minutes until everything is well combined. I use an 8-inch cake pan greased and dusted with flour. Put the butter into a cake pan. Bake for about 20 minutes or until the dough comes out clean from the center. Once baked, let the cake cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. Then transfer it to a bar rack to cool completely. Line the same cake pan with enough cling wrap so that it hangs over the sides by a few inches, and set it aside. Next, let's make the mousse layer. Mix half tablespoon of powdered gelatin with 1/4 cup of water and set it aside to bloom. Meanwhile, whip the chilled whites until foamy. Gradually 1½ cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Whip until stiff big foam. Now melt the bloomed gelatin. Stir a small spoonful of the whipped egg whites mixture into the gelatin to temper it. Then gradually fold the gelatin into the remaining egg whites, stirring gently until fully combined. Pour the mousse into the prepared cake pan. Gently place the sponge layer on top. Refrigerate the cake for at least 2 hours or overnight until fully set. Once the cake is set, carefully unmold it onto a plate or tray. For the finishing touch, melt 3 ounces of dark chocolate with tablespoon of coconut oil in the microwave. Drizzle the chocolate mixture over the cake. To decorate, I like to use fresh flowers and chocolate pretzel nests. But feel free to get creative and decorate it your way. And that's it. Your Easter mousse cake is ready to serve and enjoy. It's so tasty, no one will be able to resist. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Thank you so much for watching and happy Easter!